When it comes to creating consistently amazing results in the kitchen, there's no tool quite as important as a high-quality digital thermometer. Because fast and accurate readings make the difference between dry and overcooked and delicious. So what makes the Typhur InstaProbe the best option when you're looking for a digital thermometer? Let's take a look. I often get asked how important speed is when considering the purchase of a digital thermometer. While accuracy is without a doubt the most important thing that you're looking for, you also want to consider speed. Imagine the amount of time that you spend sticking your hand into a hot oven or over a hot grill to get that temperature reading. With a high-speed thermometer, the less time you spend in the oven and over the hot grill, the more enjoyable your cooking experience is going to be. That's why our team of talented engineers spent years of development to create the fastest digital thermometer on the market. You see, most digital thermometers include a thermocouple somewhere along the side of the probe. However, the Typhur InstaProbe uses DCTI technology, which welds an aerospace-grade thermocouple directly to the tip of the thermometer. By creating a direct contact with the heat source, we're able to achieve almost instantaneous readings. When we first launched the InstaProbe, we're able to achieve readings of 0.75 seconds or less, making it the fastest digital thermometer on the market. But we weren't quite happy. With a little fine-tuning, the latest version of the InstaProbe achieves readings in 0.5 seconds or less. It absolutely blows away the competition. An accurate temperature reading is of course the most important job of a digital thermometer. It makes the difference between medium and medium rare, and juicy and dry and overcooked. That's why we took the time to carefully calibrate the InstaProbe to 7 distinct temperature points, making it extraordinarily precise. Let's do a quick test. We're going to take the temperature reading of this bowl of ice water, which should read 32 degrees. Let's give one of these other thermometers a try. As you can see, it's about 2 or 3 degrees off, depending on where I move in the water. Let's talk design, and I'm not just talking about how beautiful the InstaProbe is, but the design elements that serve a functional purpose. Let's start with the large, easy-to-read OLED display. This is important because most thermometer use takes place in low light conditions such as grilling out at night. The display is also ambidextrous, meaning no matter if you're holding in your right hand or your left hand, or you change the orientation of the thermometer, you're always going to get a clear reading. The InstaProbe is also waterproof. It's IP67 certified, which is one of the highest ratings. This also means that you can safely clean your InstaProbe without fear of damage. One of my favorite design elements is the magnetic backing of all of the InstaProbes. This allows me to store it on my refrigerator, always keeping it within arm's reach. I think it's obvious that Typhur is not interested in making compromises when it comes to design. That's why we spend years of research and development to create the best possible products. So if you're interested in getting a digital thermometer, there's really only one choice. Get an InstaProbe.